Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Mrs. SD from LPM Public School, Gola, Gorakhpur. That is Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I hope you are well at your home and safely study in your home. Here in this video, I will tell you about chapter 1st of SST class 6, that is geography part of class 6, and it is our solar system. In this, our today's topic is, that is, let me write today's topic. Our topic is, that is, as you know, in our solar system, so many things we have studied. That is universe, world. Here, our today's topic is the planet. That is the planet. Planets. Today, in this video, I will tell you about the planets. So, let's start without any delay. What is planet? As you know, in your previous classes you have studied the celestial body is called planet. Why it is called as planet? Because they have named planet because they are construct moving around the sun. This celestial body is moving around the sun, around their parent star. So they are called as planet. And as you know, in our universe in which we are living, the sun is the main star of our planet. Sun is the main star of our planet, and all the planets move around the sun. Here in this video, with the video picture, I will explain you the sun and its planet. So first of all, let's see the picture. That is, here I have drawn the picture. This is the picture of our solar system. This is the picture of our solar system in which sun, that is the star. This is star. Sun is the main star of our solar system, and there is 8 planets which this planet move around the sun in this way. This is the orbit of this planet. They revolve around the sun, and these are in 8 in number. These all move around the sun here. And the names first, which that is Mercury, which is nearest to the sun, or you can say the closest planet of the solar system nearer to the sun. Second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, and the last, that is number 8, Neptune. These are the 8 planets of our solar system which revolve around the sun. According to their position, these are divided into 2 main parts. First, that is inner planet, and the second is outer planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. This one, Mercury. Let me use some other chalk. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These 4 planets, these 4 planets are called the inner planet. These are called inner planet. These are called inner planet of the solar system, as they are closer to sun. These 4 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are closer to four planets are called the inner planet of our solar system. In the same way, the other four planets, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, these four which are farther from the earth, these are called outer planet of our solar system. So name given to this planet is outer planet. Here, according to the solar system, the planets are divided into four parts. First, the fourth planet, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These four are called inner planet because they are closer to Sun, so they are called inner planet. In the same way, the four planets which are outer to the Sun, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, these are called the outer planet of our solar system. I hope you have understood with the picture. Now let's see about the path. You know, path. This is the path of the planets. These are the paths of the planets. It means path means orbit, or in the general which we say our road. In the same way, that is the path. These are the paths which are in elliptical form. So these planets are also called ellipses. These planets are called ellipses because their paths are in elliptical form. And beside these, as you know that these all planets revolve around the Sun. But beside these all planets revolve in their own axis. They revolve in their own axis. I hope you are clear. They revolve around the Sun, but beside this, they revolve in their own axis in this way, rounding form. Round and round and round and round and round, they were circling and moving around the Sun. I hope you have this is clear to all. Now let's see another thing about the planet. These planets have their own satellites. These planets have their own satellites that we call as moon. As you know, Earth has a satellite, that is one satellite which we see at night, and its name is the moon. In the same way, other planets have also their own satellites, and these satellites receive the light from the Sun and reflect at night. In the same way, this planet also reflects the light from the Sun. Now let's see about all the planets one by one. First, that is the first planet is, that is Mercury. About Mercury, it is the smallest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet of our solar system. It is very small in size. It is the smallest planet because it is very small in size, so it is called as the smallest planet of our solar system. In the same way, the second point about the Mercury is it is very closest to Sun. Or you can say it is very nearer to Sun. So it is very small, it is very nearer to Sun. And one more thing, that is it revolves around the Sun very fast. It revolves in 88 days. It revolves around the Sun once in 88 days. It means it covers one circle of Sun in 88 days. So Mercury is also called the fast moving planet of our solar system because it covers the distance in 88 days. So this is a fast moving planet of our solar system. It is nearer to Sun. It is smallest in size. These are the main points about Mercury. Now I hope it is clear. Let me repeat. Mercury is the smallest planet of our solar system. It is nearest to Sun and it is fast moving moving planet of our solar system which cover the distance around the sun in 88 days. So this is fast moving planet. Now our next planet, that is number 2, is Venus. About Venus, that is Venus is the hottest planet. This is very hottest planet. The temperature in this planet is very high at night also. So this is called as the hottest planet of our solar system. In the same way, the other things about the Venus is its size is almost same as the Earth. It means they are both the size is almost same. They have no difference. It is same as Earth. So due to same size as Earth, it is also called as sister of Earth. Sister planet of Earth. Venus is called the sister planet of Earth. It is called sister planet of Earth. Venus is called sister planet of Earth because of the size. It has got same size as the Earth. So this is called the sister planet of Earth. And the next thing about the solar system is, that is about the Venus is, it is early moving planet. In the morning or in the evening, it is early. It appears early in the morning and also early in the evening. So this is also called morning star and the evening star. Venus is called, the main point about the Venus is, first, it is the hottest planet. First, hottest planet. Second, it is also called as the sister planet of Earth. Third, it is called as morning star and the evening star. I hope you have understood about the Mercury and the Venus. Mercury, the nearest planet. It is the smallest planet. It covers distance in 88 days. So it is the fastest moving planet. And about Venus, Venus is called as sister planet of Earth because of size, same size as the Earth. And it is the hottest planet. The temperature in Venus is very high at night also. So it is called as it is called as hottest planet. And it is called as morning star or the evening star. These are the main points about the Mercury and the Venus. And about the Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, I will tell you about in my next video about other 6 planets and their different qualities. The main point about the other planets such as Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus. In this video we have learned about only solar system, their different planets and the main points about Mercury and Venus. In my next video I will tell you about the Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So I hope you have understood till now. Now today's assignment I will write on the board. You have to note down this in your book. First of all, you draw the picture in your copy. Draw the picture in the copy. Today's home assignment is first question, that is draw the picture of solar system Second question, that is write about Mercury and Venus. This is your home assignment. I hope you have understood. Note down in your book, copy. So, goodbye student.